there, smart buyers! Welcome back to another exciting episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make the smartest purchasing decisions without breaking a sweat. Today, we have a drone battle that's hotter than your grandma's apple pie, fresh out of the oven. On the left, we have the budget-friendly SYMA drone, and on the right, the feature-packed Bwine F7 GPS upgraded drone. Let's get ready to rumble. All right, let's talk about the first thing that makes our wallets cry: price. The SYMA drone swoops in at a wallet-friendly price of just $99. On the other hand, the Bwine F7 GPS drone demands a more sophisticated $258. That's the price difference of a fancy dinner date versus a neighborhood burger joint. Now onto the cameras. The SYMA drone boasts a 1080p HD camera, which is great for capturing your backyard BBQs. But Bwine F7? Oh boy, it comes with a 4K UHD camera that captures details so sharp you'll see the wrinkles on your dog's nose. Plus, with 2.7K real-time image transmission, it's like having a mini James Cameron in the sky. Reviewers love the SYMA's ease of use, but rave about the image quality of the Bwine F7. Next up, control and features. The SYMA drone keeps it simple with smart app control and fun flight path modes. Draw a route on your app and watch it fly like an obedient puppy. Meanwhile, the Bwine F7 is like the Swiss Army knife of drones. GPS mode, optical flow mode, follow me, orbit a point, it practically does everything but your laundry. And let's not forget the one-key return function. It's like having a drone with a homing pigeon's instincts. Reviewers highlight the SYMA's simplicity and the Bwine F7's versatility. Flight time, baby! SYMA drone gives you a solid 40 minutes of airtime with its 2 batteries. Not bad, right? But wait for it. Bwine F7 stretches that to a whopping 60 minutes. That's enough time to make a sandwich, eat it, and still have time to film your epic picnic from the sky. Reviewers appreciate the SYMA's decent battery life, but are blown away by the extended flight time of the Bwine F7. Finally, let's talk user-friendliness. SYMA drone is perfect for kids and beginners with its headless mode and one key to takeoff, land functions. It's so easy, even your tech-averse grandma could fly it. Bwine F7, however, is also beginner-friendly, but with a side of sophistication. It's like learning to drive a Ferrari. Exciting, but with a bit of a learning curve. And hey, if you crash it, you've got a 3-year warranty and a 6-month money-back guarantee. Talk about peace of mind. Reviewers find the SYMA user-friendly and the Bwine F7 both advanced and reliable. Summing up the reviews, the SYMA drone is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and suitability for children and beginners. On the other hand, the Bwine F7 GPS upgraded drone is noted for its advanced features, excellent camera quality, and impressive durability, making it ideal for those looking for more than just a basic drone experience. So there you have it, smart buyers. The SYMA drone is perfect if you're ballin' on a budget and need something straightforward. But if you're ready to splurge for some extra features and an epic 4K camera, Bwine F7 is your new best friend. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, fly high and buy smart. Product links are in the description.